Here's a unique take on a Mutton Karhai curry that combines traditional flavors with a special twist. Spicy mango infused Mutton Karhai curry. Ingredients: 1 kilogram mutton, cut in 2 pieces. 4 tablespoons ghee or oil. 2 large onions, finely sliced. 4 tomatoes, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 2-3 green chilies, slit lengthwise. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. Salt to taste. 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and pureed. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Sliced mangoes for garnish optional. Instructions: marinate the mutton. In a bowl, marinate the mutton with ginger paste, garlic paste, turmeric powder, and a pinch of salt. Set it aside for 30 minutes to an hour. Prepare the mango puree. In a blender, puree the ripe mangoes until smooth. Set aside. Cooking the mutton. Heat your oil in a heavy bottom pan or karhai over medium-high heat. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add the sliced onions and stew until golden brown. Add the marinated mutton and cook until it turns brown and the moisture evaporates. Spices and tomatoes. Stir in the chopped tomatoes and cook until they break down and release their juices. Add coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well. Mango infusion. Pour in the mango puree and stir to combine. Let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to melt together. Simmer and tenderize. Add enough water to cover the mutton pieces. Reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let it simmer until the mutton is tender. This might take around 45 minutes to an hour depending on the meat's cut and quality. Stir occasionally. Final talk. Unseasoned mutton is cooked through and the gravy has thickened. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Add slit green chilies for an extra kick. Garnish and serve. Garnish the Mutton Karhai curry with fresh coriander leaves. And, if desired, sliced mangoes for a sweet and tangy twist. Serve hot. Serve this delicious spicy mango-infused Mutton Karhai curry hot with naan, roti, or steamed rice. This unique recipe adds a fruity twist to the traditional Mutton Karhai, infusing it with the sweetness and tanginess of ripe mangoes, balancing the spices and creating a delectable fusion of flavors. It's sure to be a hit on your YouTube channel.